today we're playing a new game called What's Inside My Backpack with my friend
Danielle
and me. Okay, let's get started. Let's start. So this is my backpack. I brought in a random backpack today. And let's see what's inside. So I've got my jerseys, basketball and softball. I've got a cute little stuffed animal. Gym clothes. That's what's in there. Then this little pocket. I don't have much. I got squishies. Love squishies. And an LOL. And for gym class, I've got some hair elastics. Also,
Is that gum?
No, it's cough drops. So that's what's in my backpack. So
I have the same silver elastic.
this one?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Okay. So,
Show them your gym clothes and your jerseys.
okay. So,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
okay, stop. So, this is my gym shirt.
Put it onto your face.
And these are my gym shorts. And we've got my softball jersey. Last year's basketball jersey. This year basketball's over, but this year's basketball jersey. And that's what's in my backpack.
That's pretty much it. So
Why not? Hold it, we're not ending the video yet. This is too short. Let's do little things. Let's have little cute. Look, so you might think this is a donut. A donut with legs and arms. But it's not. It's a goat or something. Because see this tail? It's at the bottom where the butt is. This is his mouth. So, yeah.
I see that.
Yes. This is a cute little octopus. And what's this? Ready? Danielle, lower the camera so they can see the floor. Ready? Set. Pushes out his legs. Then we've got my dolphin. So my friend who loves dolphins thinks dolphins are gray. But this is proof that dolphins can be blue. So this is my LOL. Her name is Dusk. And she doesn't want to talk. So I want to show you one of my bracelets. This one. It's got some beads. But look what it has on it. Brave. The bottle says Brave, and it's got some kind of stuff in it. And so, I think that's all I have. I need one of these. We're both eating one.
Mm-hmm.
So that's all I have right now. And that's it. So,
Bye.
make sure to subscribe.
And like the video
And leave a comment
down below.